that's 287 Echo Tango 0. Maybe you have it, I don't know. And the other one is 305 Alpha Tango. I'm not sure if it's DX or 0, but that's usually active on 400. And sometimes he works also duplex mode, split mode, but I haven't heard him for a couple of days, so maybe he'll be active tomorrow again there. So I haven't got that one. We did manage to work to 287 yesterday, which I was pretty chuffed about because we didn't seem to have very good conditions. I think we had some solar storm or something that affected the propagation for sure. It was very, very poor indeed yesterday, but as I say, today it seems to be picking back up to the usual of the last couple of weeks, and we've managed to work some really nice stuff our side. Okay, Mark, I'm not going to hold it much longer. There's a really bad operator on this frequency, and I'm going to go QRT4. I'm definitely going to QSY from this frequency, that's for sure. And but we do appreciate the call there, Mark. I wish you the very best of luck, and I hope you can get into those locations that you've been struggling with in the next few weeks. I'm sure with the propagation improving, you're going to have some very fine DX indeed. To my Papa